Good day. My name is Lanshay and I'm from Wirquin. This is a short video to show you and explain to you how to change the diaphragm washer on our inlet valves. First of all, I'd like you to make sure that all the water is drained from your cistern and that the stop tap or the angle valve is shut off so that the water doesn't fall back into the inlet valve. Right, first of all, just unclip this little red arm from the side of your cup or float. You're going to then take off this cap by bending it a bit forward and twist and pull. Twist and pull until this cap is loose. Then you will see the nut on this side, which you can just turn with your hand, no tools needed, until that cap is loose. Take it off, and there's your diaphragm washer. You take the diaphragm washer out and replace it with a new one by just putting it back in there. First of all, you will see there's a pin. That pin needs to line up with that hole. So replacing the diaphragm washer, putting the nut back on top, closing it off with your hands, no tools needed. Get the cap, back into place. It clips in there. The red pin clips on the arm. Make sure it's on a free hanging to clip it back in. And then from there on, you can open up your angle valve on the side again and wait for it to fill up your tank. As easy as that. Have a good day.